Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the honorable lecturer as the organizer of this task, in this video we will discuss an assessment from English linguistics, which is a mini research with the perspective of pragmatics, sociolinguistics, and linguistic landscape. This research aims to analyze the signage system at Bank BSI KCP Fatmawati using a qualitative descriptive method which involves participant observation and photo documentation. First of all, Bank BSI KCP Fatmawati is a branch of Indonesia Sharia Bank located in South Jakarta, serving diverse customers every day. This research explores how language and visual communication interact in a bank context. This research aims to analyze speech acts in public signs using a pragmatic framework, identify their sociolinguistic implication, and evaluate the effectiveness of the sign to guide customers from diverse backgrounds. So, in the first example, the sign "No Pets Allowed" from a pragmatic perspective is the no pets sign is a clear prohibition aimed at maintaining a safe and secure environment for all customers and staff. The straightforward language reflects the bank's commitment to ensuring that the premises are free from potential nuisance caused by pets. These instructions are especially important in areas of the banks where the presence of animals may cause a disturbance or safety concern. The clarity of the sign is intended to prevent misunderstanding and encourage compliance among customers.
On the sociolinguistics perspective of sample 1, the use of English in the no pets sign reflects the bank's awareness of its diverse clientele, which may include both local and international customers. This language choice emphasizes inclusivity and ensures that all individuals, regardless of background, understand the prohibition. In addition, the sign is aligned with social norms regarding behavior and public safety, thus reinforcing the expectation that customers respect shared space and comply with the bank's policies.
Linguistic landscape. The notepad sign contributes to the professional image of the bank, signaling a commitment to maintaining a safe and orderly environment. Top-down. From a top-down perspective, the sign reflects the bank's policy and regulation, indicating the management priorities a controlled environment for the safety and convenience of all customers. This is aligned with institutional authority and the need to enforce rules that govern public behavior. From a bottom-up perspective, the presence of the signs also reflects the expectation and preference of customers who frequent the bank, many of whom may prefer a pet-free environment for the comfort and peace of mind. The design of the sign, which often feature simple and recognizable graphic, enhances their visibility and effectiveness, ensuring that the message is easily understood by all.
Example 2. Authorized personnel only. From pragmatic perspective, the sign "Authorized personnel only" serves as a clear directive aimed at restricting access to certain areas of the bank to only those individuals who have been granted permission. The language is straightforward, reflecting the bank's commitment to security and confidentiality. This directive is crucial in areas where sensitive information and financial transactions occur, as it helps to protect both the bank asset and the privacy of its customer. The sign clarity is intended to prevent unauthorized access and promote compliance among staff and visitors.
On the sociolinguistics perspective of Sample 2, the use of English in the authorized personnel only sign reflects the bank's focus on the primarily English-speaking clientele, which might include both local and international customers. This choice of language emphasizes the bank's professional environment and ensures that individuals who are familiar with English understand the access restriction. The sign aligns with social norms regarding security and privacy in financial institutions, reinforcing the expectation that only qualified personnel should enter restricted areas, thereby maintaining a sense of order and safety.
Okay, next, the authorized personnel only sign contributes to the bank's professional image, signaling on commitment to security and operational integrity, top-down from a top-down perspective. The sign reflects the bank policy and regulation, indicating that management provides and protection of sensitive areas and information. This aligns with institutional authority and the need to enforce rules that govern access the retail space bottom-up. From a bottom-up perspective, the presence of the sign also reflects the expectation of customers and staff who value security and privacy in their banking experience. The design of the sign, often featuring bold lettering and clear layout, ensures visibility and effectiveness, ensuring that the message is easily understood by all who enter the bank.
Sample 3. Please turn off the phone. From pragmatic perspective, the sign "Turn off the phone" serves as a clear directive aimed at instructing bank employees to silence or deactivate their mobile device while in the workplace. The language is straightforward and ambiguous, reflecting the bank's commitment to maintaining a professional and distraction-free environment. This directive is crucial in areas where sensitive discussion and financial transactions occur, as it helps to minimize distraction and protect the confidentiality of both employee communication and customer information. The sign clarity is intended to promote compliance among staff, ensuring that the workplace remains conducive to productivity and focus.
On the sociolinguistics perspective of Sample 3, the use of English in the turn of your phone sign reflects the bank's intention to communicate effectively with a diverse workforce, which might include both local and international employees. This choice of language underscores the bank's professional safety and ensures that all employees, regardless of their background, understand the request. The sign aligns with social norms regarding workplace etiquette, particularly in environments where concentration and confidentiality are paramount. By encouraging employees to turn off their phones, the sign reinforces the expectation of mutual respect and professionalism among colleagues, thereby fostering a collaborative work.
Okay, the turn off your phone sign contribution to the bank's overall image of professionals and operational integrity. Top-down from a top-down perspective, the sign reflects the bank's policy and regulation, indicating the management priorities, creating a focused and efficient work environment. The aligns with institutional authority and the needs to enforce goodness, the enhance productivity and protect sensitive information. The directives also signals the bank's proactive approach of maintaining order the professionalism within the premise, ensuring that employees adhere to INSBC norms of behavior.
Sample 4. No sharp weapons. from pragmatic perspective. The sign "No Sharp Weapons" serves as a direct prohibition aimed at maintaining a safe and secure environment for all customers and staff. The language is clear and unambiguous, reflecting the bank's commitment to ensuring that the premises remain free from potential threats. This directive is crucial in public areas where the presence of sharp weapons could pose serious safety risks to individuals. The sign clarity is intended to prevent misunderstanding and promote compliance among customers, thereby enhancing the overall security of the bank.
On the social linguistics of sample 4, the use of English in the no sharp weapons sign reflects the bank's focus on the clientele that might include both local and international customers. This choice of language emphasizes the bank's professional environment and ensures that individuals who are familiar with English understand the prohibition. The sign aligns with social norms regarding safety and security in public speech, reinforcing the expectation that customers respect the rules designed to protect everyone in the bank. The absence of a bilingual approach might indicate a primary focus on English-speaking patrons, which could be a consideration for the bank's target demographic.
The No Sharp Weapons seek contribution to the bank's professional image, signaling a commitment to safety and security. Top-down from a top-down perspective, the sign reflects the bank's policy and regulation, indicating the management priorities and the safety in customer and staff by prohibiting dangerous items. The aligns with institutional authority and the needs to enforce rules the govern behavior within the bank. Bottom up from a bottom up perspective, the presence of the scenes also reflects the expectation of customer who value secure environment when conducting financial transaction. The design of the scene, often featuring bold lettering and a clear layout, enhances its visibility and effectiveness, ensuring that the message is easily understood by all who intervene.
Sample 5. Keep this area clean from pragmatic perspective. The sign "Keep this area clean" serves as a directive aimed at promoting cleanliness and hygiene within the bank. The language is straightforward and positive, reflecting the bank's commitment to maintaining a pleasant environment for all customers and staff. This directive is a crucial public areas where cleanliness can significantly impact an overall customer experience and perception of the bank. The sign clarity is intended to encourage compliance among customers, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for the upkeep of the space.
On the social linguistics of sample 5, the use of English in the "Keep this area clean" sign reflects the bank's focus on a clientele that might include both local and international customers. This choice of language emphasizes the bank's professional environment and ensures that individuals who are familiar with English understand the importance of clean lines. The sign aligns with social norms regarding public behavior and responsibility, reinforcing the expectation that customers contribute to maintaining a clean and orderly space. The absence of a bilingual approach might suggest a primary focus on English-speaking patrons, which could be a consideration for the bank's target demographic.
Okay, the keep this area clean see contribution to the bank professional image, signaling a commitment to selection and customer satisfaction, top down from a top-down perfects. The scenes reflects the bank policy and regulation, indicating that management priorities a clean environment as part of the service quality. This aligns with institutional authority and the needs enforce standard of cleanliness within the bank. Bottom up from a bottom-up perfects the presence of the things also reflects the expectation of customer who value it to the environment when conducting financial transaction. The design of the scene often featuring clear lettering and simple layout enhance its visibility and effectiveness, ensuring that the message is easily understood by all who enter bank.
In the end, the linguistic science at Bank BSI KCP Fatmawati integrate visual and verbal elements to guide behavior and provide information. Effective linguistic planning enhance inclusivity, accessibility, and safety in public space. Thank you.